Alright, eco-warriors and fashionistas, let's dive right in. Is your streetwear saving the planet, or just adding to the problem? Today, I'm breaking down the world of eco-friendly streetwear. We're talking sustainable materials, ethical practices, and killer designs. It's the ultimate showdown to find out who's the greenest of them all. First up, what exactly is sustainable streetwear? Sustainable fashion means creating clothes in ways that respect the environment and the people making them. Think organic cotton, recycled polyester, and hemp. It's a stark contrast to fast fashion, which often means cheap materials, unfair labor practices, and tons of waste. Now let's get into the showdown. I've picked out 3 standout brands for this eco-friendly battle. Pangaia, Patagonia's streetwear line, and Afends. Starting with Pangaia, these guys are all about innovation. Their clothes use organic cotton, recycled materials, and even seaweed fibers. Plus, their packaging is biodegradable. Stylish? Absolutely. Ethical? You bet. Next, Patagonia's streetwear line. Known for its commitment to the environment, Patagonia uses recycled polyester and organic cotton. Their fair trade certified trademark factories ensure ethical labor practices, and their designs? Effortlessly cool with that signature laid-back vibe. Lastly, we've got Afends. This brand is leading the charge with hemp-based streetwear. Hemp is super sustainable, it grows fast, uses less water, and it's incredibly durable. Afends packaging is also eco-friendly, using recycled materials. Their edgy, surf-inspired designs are perfect for the urban eco-warrior. Let's talk price versus value. Sure, sustainable streetwear can be pricier up front, but think about the long-term savings. These clothes are built to last, meaning you won't need to replace them as often. Plus, buying from ethical brands supports fair wages and better working conditions. That's a win-win. So, which brand takes the crown? For best overall sustainability, it's gotta be Pangaia. Their innovative materials and biodegradable packaging are next level. For best style, Patagonia wins with its effortless, timeless designs. And for best value, Afends stands out with its durable, hemp-based clothes. What do you think? Drop a comment with your favorite brand or suggest another eco-friendly streetwear label. Remember, streetwear doesn't have to cost the earth, literally. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more eco-conscious content. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.